Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video is finally going to be my long-term review of the Durston Xmid 1. I should point out that this is the Durston Drop Xmid 1. So this is really one of the first versions that were available. So if you buy one of the newer ones that are just the Durston Xmid 1s or 2s or Pros, there are going to be some differences, more than likely in the fabric and in the weights and things like that. It was really cool because I was looking for something that was lightweight, was very packable, was a trekking pole tent, and that I can use in all different sorts of situations. And I feel comfortable at this point giving you the thumbs up in the review on this tent because I've had it for a couple of years now, and the drop version of it is no longer available and you have to get the Durston version. Now that she's all set up, let's take a look inside. One of the benefits of a trekking pole tent is carrying less stuff, right? Everybody wants to save some weight. That's why I started on the quest to find a backpacking tent that worked for me. Now, I carry trekking poles anyways. I'm a bit clumsy, and they do help with my legs and my knees, especially on descents. If you don't like to carry trekking poles, then clearly a trekking pole tent won't work for you. That being said, if you do carry trekking poles, it's an excellent way to save weight and carry less stuff. The Durston Xmid 1 packs up into about an Nalgene sized bottle. I'm going to go ahead and show you that here. I'm also going to include the fully packed weight and tell you how much it weighs with the inner and the stakes, everything in that bag. Alrighty, so I'm 5'9", and the inner in this tent works pretty well. It's not too bad. I've got room by my feet and by my head, but I purposely got the one-person tent because I wanted something small and packable. So it is in fact small and packable. I can see that being the only downside to the one-person version.